India is set to overtake China in air passenger traffic growth by 2026, according to forecasts from the Airports Council International, ACI. SGK Kishore, president of ACI Asia Pacific and Middle East, believes the next 5 to 10 years will see major aviation hubs developing across India, marking a transformational period for the country's aviation infrastructure. Right now, India operates 159 airports and has plans to add 50 more over the next 5 years. On top of that, domestic airlines have already ordered over 1,700 aircraft, an unmistakable sign of confidence in the future of Indian aviation. As of 2025, China holds the lead in air passenger traffic growth with a rate of 12%, while India follows closely at 10.1%. But this trend is expected to reverse as soon as 2026, with India projected to rise to 10.5%, while China slows slightly to 8.9%. The pattern continues into 2027, where India maintains strong momentum with 10.3% growth compared to China's 7.2%. Over the 5-year span from 2023 to 2027, India is forecast to have a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 9.5%, ahead of China's 8.8%. Taking a much longer view, India is on track to become the fastest-growing aviation market globally from 2023 all the way through to 2053. During that 30-year period, India's compound annual growth rate is estimated at 5.5%, which significantly outpaces China's 3.8%. This positions India not just as a regional leader, but as a global frontrunner in air traffic expansion. Stefano Baronci, Director General of ACI Asia Pacific and Middle East, described India as a market that is developing and in the process of enhancing its infrastructure. The ACI represents more than 600 airports across the Asia Pacific and Middle East, giving them a broad view of market dynamics across the region. One of the biggest reasons India is growing so quickly is its current low level of air travel penetration. In 2023, India recorded just 0.1 trips per capita per year, a stark contrast to China's 0.5 and the United States' 2.1. Projections show that by 2043, India's figure will rise to 0.4, still offering ample room for further growth and market development. Kishore also emphasized India's strong domestic travel market, which he believes will further fuel aviation expansion. With a large population eager for more accessible air travel, the domestic sector is expected to be a crucial growth engine. He reiterated his confidence that we'll see major aviation hubs emerge in the country over the next decade. Investors seem to agree with this upbeat outlook. Stocks in the aviation sector reacted positively following these projections, with companies like Interglobe Aviation, which operates IndiGo, GMR Airports, and SpiceJet, SG, seeing gains of up to 5% in trading. And while India leads the pack, it's worth noting that other markets in the region are also on the rise. Countries like Indonesia, with a projected CAGR of 5.5%, Vietnam 4.6%, the Philippines 4.5%, Saudi Arabia 4.5%, Thailand 4.3%, Qatar 4.2%, Egypt 4%, and the UAE 3.8% are all seeing notable growth in aviation. Overall, industry experts are optimistic about India's potential as a long-term growth driver in global aviation. With such a large, underserved population and significant infrastructure developments on the horizon, the sky truly seems to be the limit for India's aviation future. Stay tuned with us and follow along on social media for all the latest aviation news and updates.